Hey everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So Christmas is coming and in today's tutorial we'll be making our own Christmas wreath this holiday. So if you are new to our channel, do subscribe our channel and hit the ring bell for the future notifications. So let's get started. Now the very first thing we'll do is to make the base of the wreath, and I'll be cutting the branches of this tree and I'll take out the extra leaf. And to hold the wreath we'll be requiring some wire and a cutting plier. Now there are two ways you can make this wreath. The first one is you can dry the branches and then make the wreath or the base, but it's a bit difficult to bend the branches. Instead you can do one more thing. You can cut the branches as it is from the tree and then make the wreath and then keep the wreath for about 1 or 2 days. Now to secure the wreath, you can secure it with these wires. If you don't have these wires, you can take these woolen thread and then tie the knot. They are also equally effective. And don't worry about the wire and the thread, because as such they are going to hide behind the flowers and the leaf. Now once our wreath is done, we'll be taking different colors of flowers and their leaves. And I'll be using hot glue gun to stick these leaves and flowers all together. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you like this one, and if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe our channel, and if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.